Oh, you're still drawing, okay. What have we here?
It looks like a storm with lightning and rain, and yet there's a sun there.
Uh-huh. Sounds like the Seattle winter we're getting ready for. Great.
Oh, hi, I just turned the light off because I thought it was on a timer, but apparently it's not. So this is a tree? Yeah. And this is just outdoors, huh? Is this like you? Or is it? I think it is.
This is the participants' 97 and 98-year-old mother.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I like your son.
Stairs.
What have we here?
Makes me think of badminton.
Friend's room.
Of a bird.
Friend's little
Yeah, badminton.
Wow.
I don't know. Could be anything, but.
It's, I've drawn it
That's
in
nice.
other
That's
times.
It's your house?
No, not my house, a friend's house.
A friend's house?
Brooke?
Milwaukee pendants on the wall.
As in, so my wife grew up in Milwaukee.
So what are the
That's not
colors?
Wisconsin. That would be like
It is
Oregon's
Wisconsin.
Milwaukee, right? Or do you,
No,
I don't know what you meant.
Milwaukee, like
Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
I can't remember how it is, but it doesn't matter.
What are the colors for Milwaukee? Is it red?
University of
I have no idea.
Wisconsin,
red.
which is in Madison, is red and white.
Okay,
Yeah.
I remembered right.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
May I ask what you drew here?
Is this friend in?
It's a coming together of a bunch of the people,
Uh-huh.
and when they do that, their energies coalesce
Oh, great. Wow.
and they spread light out into the world.
Marvelous.
And
Marvelous.
when the energy coalesces, it sends energy to heaven and into the earth.
Uh-huh. Wow. Wow.
Holy smokes, Rebecca.
Terrific.
That's cute.
What? Well, that's Blanche who died.
Blanche and His Royal Highness Prince Sipila also died. Prince Sippy. Last spring.
Oh, my.
Tell me about this person down here.
What's pushing?
Person.
That's gotta be Brooke.
That's me.
That's you.
That's me. That both enraged and defeated.